As soon as I open the door, met with this sound. This is the mobile picking it up. Patrol car on small dead-end street. Watch it go down and return. Just a sample, because I can't stand out here all for 10 hours straight. This noise will go for 10 hours straight. It starts. See patrol car doubling back, see the patrol car lurking there, about to double back right in front. Can you see it? It went down, in other words, it comes, watch it, just watch it come back. Oh, it's actually going to stalk right in front and park and sit there for a while. Military plane overhead. Military plane overhead. That just is military plane overhead, means that that is the army or the powers that be. Everything is connected in the city of Sydney. So the council and the leaders, the workforce, the the military planes are exactly the same as the civilian planes. In other words, the planes that carry people overseas are usually disguised military planes, but most are, of the same beings will operate them, and it's all artificial, it's all technology. It doesn't matter whether you had separate or whether they were the same. In other words, it wouldn't matter whether this plane is legitimately going, say, overseas from Sydney to another place, or whether it is going, just a military surveillance plane, because the passenger planes are also part of the surveillance program, because they pick particular flight paths to go over particular individual human beings, to watch them and try to control their mood and make you feel watched and suppressed. And that, of course, is the idea. They're showing you the reality that will be 100% in operation in the future. It's already in operation now, it's just that it's not openly accepted. So in other words, they patrol and watch in a hidden manner. It's not hidden because, as you can see, you can hear, see, patrol car pulling out right in front. In other words, it came and parked there, left the car there, and then someone gets into it and drives it away, so that I see it, so that I'm aware. See, notice how as soon as I come out, I have all these vehicles, even though it's a small dead-end street with only a few houses, the rest is all construction, and the military plane right over my head as I speak. And these planes go from 5 o'clock in the morning right through till 11 o'clock at night, right over the roof. And as you can hear, they are not quiet. In fact, they are quite disruptive to the human senses, really. And that's just one minor aspect of this mind control at a sight and sound human suppression level in the suburb of Leichhardt, in the city of Sydney, in the country of Australia. Most of the population is centred in the Sydney city. Here's the patrol car coming back, same vehicle. you know, they patrol. As you can see, there's only a few houses. It ends there, the street ends there. But the minute I come out, you have these random cars pulling in and out. And of course you have the staged human suppression, frequency, vibration construction going on right next door to next door. In other words, you know, to where they can make excessively loud noise every day, so that you're never got a happy or peaceful vibration even inside the house. So a surveillance plane is coming into my line of sight as soon as I look up. It won't be picked up because it is a very cloudy, murky day. See how it's coming? I don't know whether the sound will be picked up, but see, it's coming right in my line of sight. That takes over my sight. And those are a new flight path just recently to where I have to look as I come straight out. They go over my head wherever I go, as you can see. That is human mind control suppression at a sound level right in my house.